In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this diagonal pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to this pattern, we just need an algorithm, and the algorithm is extremely easy. The algorithm is RLFB, RLFB, RLFB. That's right, it's just RLFB repeated 3 times. So let's do that then. RLFB, 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 and that gives us the diagonal pattern. So to undo this pattern and set back to a solved Rubik's Cube, you see how the diagonals meet at the bottom? Well, if you put this bottom one to the right, so it's not to the left like this, so the place where they meet at the bottom is on the right, make this our front face, and then just repeat the same algorithm. For example, RLFB, RLFB, RLFB. And there we have a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.